Hi everyone! So in this final lesson, I'd like to share some tips with you on how to arrange your mockup templates in order to present them online for download or to promote your work, for example. So ideally, this template should be really well organized. Mockup 2 here is the second side of the brochure. These two layers here are the gradient and the blur effect. So press Shift and select the blur along with the gradient layer, and press Ctrl-G to group them. Double-click and rename to Mockup 2 Effects. Double-click on Mockup 2 and we'll add Image here. This indicates to whoever downloads our template that this is where the image must be inserted. So select the two effects of Mockup 1 and Ctrl-G to group. Again, we'll rename to Mockup 1 Effects. And we'll also add Image here to Mockup 1. Select both shadows and Ctrl-G to group. And we'll name the group Shadows. Now, whoever downloads the template knows exactly where they need to insert the images, into these layers that we've indicated. And this is very useful if we want to make our templates available for download. Finally, we'll add an adjustment layer, and we'll go here to brightness and contrast. And we'll increase the contrast to around here. And the person who downloaded the template knows now that they can easily adjust this. So that's the end of this mockups course. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you put everything you've learned into practice for your own projects. So I'll see you next time for another TipPad course. Bye!